Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's stop. And here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone section, and we've got the phone ringtone, which is divided between two different SIM cards, which of course means that you can set totally different totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and different for the second one. So let's simply tap on this section. Here you can choose the SIM card for which you'd like to change the ringtone for. So let me choose it for the first one. Basically, here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones, pre-installed sounds from which we can choose. What is more, here we've got music on device or video ringtones. So basically, after tapping on music on device, you will be able to enter your own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and then set it as a ringtone. Alright, so in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to basically and simply tap on it. And this is how to check whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I want to set the sunshine as my ringtone. So all you have to do is to make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone, so the sunshine, to notify about the incoming call from the first SIM card. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.